Creating the best summer pasta salad involves a series of well-orchestrated steps that balance flavor, texture, and seasonal ingredients. Begin by selecting a pasta that holds its shape and texture well, such as wrought tiny or bow tie pasta. Cook the pasta in well-salted boiling water until it reaches al dente perfection, and then drain and rinse it under cold water to halt the cooking process and cool it down. The cold water rinse also helps to keep the pasta from becoming too sticky when mixed with the other ingredients. While the pasta is cooling, prepare the vegetables. Dice a variety of colorful, fresh vegetables like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red and yellow bell peppers, red onions, and olives. The choice of vegetables is crucial in contributing not just flavor, but also an appealing visual aesthetic. For protein, consider adding grilled chicken, shrimp, or chickpeas for a vegetarian option. Fresh herbs such as basil, parsley, and dill can elevate the flavor profile of the salad. Toss the cooled pasta with the chopped vegetables and protein in a large mixing bowl. The dressing is a key element in the salad, striking a balance between tangy and creamy. Prepare a homemade vinaigrette using ingredients such as olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and a hint of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Whisk the ingredients together until emulsified, then pour over the pasta mixture. Toss everything together gently to coat every bite with the dressing. For added depth of flavor, consider adding crumbled feta cheese, grated Parmesan, or even some toasted nuts like pine nuts or sliced almonds. Allow the salad to chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving to let the flavors meld together.